Hello everyone, I am Kanchan Sardana, working as an assistant professor in RPIT campus Bastada, Karnal. Hope you all are doing well. So our next drug is the black pepper. So synonym are kali mirch or pepper, and we also called it as mircha. Biological sources, it consists of the dried unripe fruit of the Piper nigrum of family Piperaceae. Then geographical source, it is cultivated in Indonesia, Brazil, Malaysia and Sri Lanka, and India stand first for the whole cultivation of the pepper. Around 49,500 ton of the pepper is produced in India, which cover the 25 to 30% of the total world production. Then morphological character of the black pepper is, it is blackish brown in color, aromatic in odor, pungent in taste, and globular and wrinkled fruits. Then chemical constant, black pepper contain alkaloid piperine, which is 5 to 9%, volatile oil 1 to 25%, 6% of the resin, and piperidine and starch. Uses are, black pepper is used as stomachic, carminative, flavoring agent, and also in the spices. Then comes the nutmeg. So nutmeg is synonym is jaffle, myristica aromata. From where we obtain the nutmeg? Biological source, nutmeg is the kernel of the dried ripe seed of the myristica fragrans of family Myrtaceae. ये क्या है? कर्नल यूज़ करते हैं हम, ड्राइड राइप सीड होता है, कवरिंग होती है लाइक एप्रिकॉट, हम उसको क्या करते हैं, कट करके ग्राइंड करते हैं, एंड वी यूज़ द सीड्स ऑफ द मिरिस्टिका फ्रेग्रेंस फॉर फैमिली Myrtaceae. Geographical sources, it is a native of Moluccas Island in the Indonesia and also cultivated in West Indies, Malayalam, Sumatra, and in India, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Then how it look like, morphological character or appearance, color is brown in color as you can see in the picture, odor is aromatic, taste is pungent, the kernels, that is outer covering, are about 20 to 30 mm length and 20 mm broad, and shape is ellipsoidal. Then chemical constant, nutmeg contain 5 to 15% of the volatile oil, lignin, stearin, starch, gum, coloring matter, and acid substance, and it also contain geraniol, borneol, pinene, campine, and dipentene. Then uses of the nutmeg are, nutmeg is aromatic carminative, flavoring agent in nausea and vomiting. Then it is also has narcotic action, and peripheral it irritate and produce the anesthetic action. So since it irritate the intestine and uterus, it cause the abortion also. Then comes the cinnamon. Cinnamon is dalchini. Next our drug is cinnamon. We call it as dalchini. So synonym are cinnamon bark, kalmi dalchini, and Ceylon cinnamon. Biological source, cinnamon is dried inner bark of Cinnamomum xylenicum of family Lauraceae. जो हम घर में यूज़ करते हैं, that is obtained from the species Cinnamomum xylenicum of family Lauraceae. Geographical source, it is the spice which found in Sri Lanka, Malabar coast of India, Jamaica and Brazil, and also referred as Sri Lanka cinnamon. Then morphological character is, the outer surface is dull yellowish brown and inner is dark yellowish brown. Odor is fragrant, taste is pungent and sweet. शेप इज़ फाउंड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कंपाउंड क्विल, मीन जो क्विल क्या है, सर्कुलर इन शेप, और जो उनकी आउटर ग्रोथ है वो इन अंदर को मुड़ी हुई है, दैट इज क्विल. साइज इज अबाउट 1 mm in length, 1 cm in dia and 0.5 mm in thickness. Then the crude drug contain many essential constituents such as volatile oil, phlobotannins. Cinnamon oil is composed of the cinnamaldehyde, eugenol, benzaldehyde, cumarinaldehyde, and terpenes. Then comes the chemical test. When a drop of ferric chloride solution is added to a drop of volatile oil, a pale green color appears. This color is achieved by the cinnamaldehyde on reacting with the ferric chloride, which gives brown color, and eugenol yield blue color. Uses of the cinnamon, it is enriched in carminative, stomachic and mild astringent property. It has anti-inflammatory property. It has anti-diabetic properties. It acts as anti-ulcer agent and against Helicobacter pylori, and it also acts as antimicrobial, which inhibit the growth of yeast, bacteria and fungi. Then it helps in reducing the LDL levels and increasing the HDL levels. ये कोलेस्ट्रॉल को कम करने में भी यूज़ होती है. फ्लेवरिंग एजेंट यूज़ होती है. एरोमेटिक एंटीसेप्टिक भी यूज़ होती है. एंड इट ऑल्सो हैव एंटीऑक्सीडेंट प्रॉपर्टी विच inhibit the production of free radical formation. And the bark is commonly employed in the spices and condiment. Beverages में भी हम इसको use करते हैं. Then the oil is used in the formation of candles, dentifrices and perfume preparations. And these are also traditionally used in alleviating the gastric disorders and dysmenorrhea. So adulterants are jungle cinnamon, cinnamon chips and Ceylon cinnamon and Java cinnamon. So these are the adulterants which we can adulterate the real cinnamon with this. So this is all about the cinnamon and nutmeg. Thank you.